Hi, how are you? We are having a car. It's a Honda Accord 2013. I just replaced the starter. So it's basically two bolts that hold the starter. This starter comes different than the other ones because this Honda is a V6. The other ones I see in other videos, they're under the hood, but this one is really simple. It's just two bolts. But if you have enough time, you can take these two hoses, remove the battery. You have to remove the battery, but if you have enough time, you can remove these hoses. That'll be easy to pull it out, and that is very simple to replace it. As you can see right here, we have the starter out. It's got two bolts, the connection right here, and the other connection. And if you want to make it simple, take the two hoses, but you have to follow the process after you remove those hoses. But it's a very simple job. It took me 1 hour, maybe if you have enough tools, less than 1 hour. But I just want to share how easy it is. It's not bad, it's not complicated. Just be aware to put this or have the radio code for the Hondas. All right, this is all about. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.